Hey everybody, it's Jim Hiles of First Capital and Go Plan 101. It is Taxable Tuesday. We're going to be looking specifically today at municipal bonds. What are they? They're bonds or debt obligations, IOUs, issued by some sort of municipality, government entity. And for those of you looking for tax-free income, you might want to look at these things. Basically, there are two different types. General obligation municipal bonds, which are based on the taxing authority, so that income taxes pay the rate. Or revenue bonds, which share some sort of revenue on some sort of entity within the authority. So it'll be more dependent upon the revenue of whatever the hospital is or something like that. Typically, they generate interest. It's an IOU. They pay you interest. It's a market rate of interest. It's determined on the issuance of the bond. And you're going to have the capability here to say, hey, I don't have to pay federal income taxes on municipal bonds. That's the beauty of it. So when you look at the bond yield curves, are these things worth doing? How much am I getting paid for a municipal bond? A lot going on here, but just go with this. When you go left or right, that's time. The other axis is the amount of interest that you get. So 0 on the bottom, looks like it goes all the way up to 3%. How exciting is that? So all you gotta do is find how many years or what interest rate that you want to get and how many years you have to go out. Let me give you a quick example. If I want to get a 2% municipal bond, and I'm saying, okay, well, let's see, we're a municipal bond. Oh, the municipal bonds, if you go to tax exempt, and let's say I'm going to do general obligation AA's, which is a pretty good bond, pretty conservative bond anyway. That's going to get me, let's go up to 11 years. It's going to get me about 1.32%. That's what I'm getting on a municipal bond. So when we say there's not a lot going on in the bond market, this is what we mean. So you have to go out there 30 years. Let's find another one. Here's a 30-year general obligation bond. I'm going to get on the best rate on a muni bond about 1.75 right now. So I got to take that in consideration when I look at these things. As compared to a taxable corporate bond, let's still look at taxable corporate bonds and go all the way out here. I'm getting paid 2.75 for a 30-year bond. So, wow. And keep in mind, bond yields are low, historically low, and this just paints that painful picture of where we are at bond yield. So take a look at this chart, give you a sense for where bonds are. There are different types of bonds, different categories of bonds in the little graphic on the right-hand side. If you want to talk more about how this works or other tax income or taxable income or tax exempt income or tax deferred income strategies might work, give us a call. Thanks.